I see a bird flying high in the sky, soaring above with grace, so free to fly. Its wings spread wide, catching the wind. A beautiful sight, a marvel to behold within. Bird in the sky, oh how you shine. Your beauty captures our hearts divine. A symbol of freedom, a sign of peace. Fly on, bird in the sky, never cease. Through the clouds and into the blue, the bird descends, a symbol so true. A messenger of hope, a harbinger of love, guiding us towards the heavens above. Bird in the sky, oh how you shine. Your beauty captures our hearts divine. A symbol of freedom, a sign of peace. Fly on, bird in the sky, never cease. In a world full of chaos and strife, the bird brings a sense of calm to our life. A reminder that beauty exists all around, in the simple things, in the sights and sounds. Bird in the sky, oh how you shine. Your beauty captures our hearts divine. A symbol of freedom, a sign of peace. Fly on, bird in the sky, never cease. So let us cherish the bird in the sky, a reminder to spread our wings and fly, to reach for the stars, to chase our dreams. Just like the bird in the sky, it seems